Hello, everyone. Welcome back to Zimist Coded. Today, we're diving into a very practical Excel tutorial. And I know you're going to love this one. We're working with a real-life school data set, a full list of students with their class codes arranged from 1AG3, 1BS1, 1BS2, 1GA1, all the way to 1GA5, 1HE1 through 1HE4, and finally, 1VA1 and 1VA2. Our goal is simple. Every class gets its own printed page, except 1BS1 and 1BS2. Those two will be combined into a single page because the list is small. So let's take our time, walk through everything step by step, and make this clean and professional. Before we begin inserting the breaks, let's switch our view so things become much clearer. Head straight to the View tab and click on Page Break Preview. There we go. Excel now divides the sheet into clear boxes showing how your pages are laid out. This view makes it super easy to control exactly where each class begins and ends. Now let's start inserting our breaks. The first class on the list is 1AG3. Scroll gently down until you reach the very last student in that group. In my case, this ends at row 29. Click the row number just below that final name. Once you've selected the row, move up to the Page Layout tab, open the Breaks dropdown, and choose Insert Page Break. You'll notice a solid blue line appear. That's Excel telling you, all right, from this point onward, you're starting a new page. Perfect. Let's talk about those two special classes, 1BS1 and 1BS2. We want them on the same page, so do not insert a break between them. Just scroll past both groups until you reach the end of 1BS2. That final name should land you around row 40. Now select the row right after it and insert your page break there. And just like that, Excel keeps 1BS1 and 1BS2 neatly together on one page, exactly the way we want. At this point, you already understand the pattern. So I'll go ahead and speed up the process as I continue applying the same steps to the remaining classes. Every time a class ends, I place a break right after it, creating clean, separate sections for 1GA1 to 1GA5, 1HE1 to 1HE4, and finally the last two, 1VA1 and 1VA2. Once everything is set, it's time to preview the results. Press Ctrl P to open Print Preview. You'll see that Excel now shows each class on its own page. And you'll also notice 1BS1 and 1BS2 sitting happily together on one page. Everything looks tidy, structured, and ready for printing. Let's go one step further and export this as a PDF. Simply go to File, choose Export, and select PDF. Hit Save, and Excel will produce a clean, multi-page PDF where each class is separated exactly where we placed our breaks. One class per page, 1BS1 and 1BS2 combined, and everything perfectly organized for printing or submission. And that's it. That's how you control page breaks in Excel to organize your data by class. If this tutorial helped you, make sure to hit like, drop a comment, and subscribe to Zimist Coded for more Excel tips, office tricks, and time-saving tech tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you again in the next video.